I just received this box of 6 pair of hair bows. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check them out. So you could see, first and foremost, let's talk about the box. Such a nice box. So if in case you're gifting this to somebody, I absolutely love the way that the box looks. Super, super nice detail. So let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, you get a total of 6 different bows that are inside of the box. Let me go ahead and take them all out. These are such nice large bows. Look at that. Wow, they are so nice, so soft. Now on the back side here, they do have a little clip. So you can go ahead and wear these with your hair down, with your hair up. If you want to pin them to a ponytail, just simply press down right here and then this comes out. Once you apply them to your hair, just snap them back into place just like that. Let me show you all the different colors. So as you can see, this one is in the color brown. This is like a mint green color. This one is in a deeper green, such a beautiful color. And I love the way that the bow comes down like this. Such nice bows. These are satin-like bows. This one is definitely my favorite. This one is in the color pink. This one is like a cream white color. This one is like a beige nude color. Take a look. You get a total of 6 bows. Such an amazing price for the quality of these bows. These are perfect for yourself, for your daughter, for your niece, a loved one. Such nice bows. Let me go ahead and try one on. Go ahead and pin my hair back, and then we're going to go ahead and add one of those bows. As you can see, this is so simple to add to my hair. It definitely adds a different look to the hair. Let me go ahead and turn around just so you can see what it looks like. So cute. This definitely changes any outfit. Such a nice touch. Overall, if you're looking for a nice pair of good quality bows for an affordable price, definitely check these out.